Hello lizard scientists, I'm James Stroud, I'm a biologist at Washington University in St. Louis and here at Fairchild Tropical Botanic Gardens in Miami.
I'm Chris Thawley, a professor of biology at Davidson College.
And I'm Jason Colby. I'm a professor in the Department of Biological Sciences at the University of Rhode Island. And together, we're a group of researchers that have been studying anolis lizards, also called anoles. And you've been helping us with our research through your participation in Fairchild Tropical Botanic Gardens Lizards on the Loose Challenge. Anoles are a group of lizards that have been incredibly important for the study of ecology, evolution, and animal behavior. There are approximately 400 species of anoles found throughout Central and South America, including the Caribbean islands, and in the southeastern United States, including where you live in South Florida.
Only one species of anole, the green anole, is native to South Florida. Over the past 100 years, however, at least 5 other species of anoles have been introduced to South Florida from throughout the Caribbean. The brown anole, Anolis sagrii, from Cuba. The crested anole, Anolis cristatellus, from Puerto Rico. The bark anole, Anolis disticus, from the island of Hispaniola, which includes the countries of the Dominican Republic and Haiti. The night anole, Anolis equestris, from Cuba. And the Jamaican giant anole, Anolis garmani, which, not surprisingly, is from Jamaica.
The data you collected for the Lizards on the Loose project last year was absolutely spectacular. Together, you contributed over 3,500 observations. Through your hard work on iNaturalist, you continue to provide us with data on the locations of lizard species in places where we didn't even know they live yet. For the first time ever, we now have a region-wide assessment of how lizards use different habitat types within the Miami urban area. As our world changes, it is important to understand if animals, like the lizards that you observed, are using new types of habitats in cities, like walls, posts, fences, or if they're still seeking out natural habitats, like trees and bushes. This information will be critical to understanding how all kinds of plants and animals will live in cities and suburbs of the future.
Thank you again for all your hard work last year. We were really blown away by your commitment to the project and your work as scientists. This year we're interested in studying the thermal biology of Florida lizards. All anoles are cold-blooded, or also known as ectothermic, which means that they control their body's temperature by moving to environments that are warmer or colder. So, if an anole wants to warm up early in the morning, it might look for a nice sunny spot to bask. The sunlight will warm its body up so that it can hunt or display. On very hot days, anoles may seek out shadier locations to help them stay cool or keep them from overheating. But on most days, anoles will move between both sunny and shaded perches so that their body temperature will stay at the level that's best for them.
But not all anoles are the same. While some anole species like it hot, others might need a different environment. Our previous research has shown that some anoles, like this crested anole, may prefer shadier areas, while other anoles, like brown anoles, tend to live in areas with lots of sunlight. But we don't yet know how these different species use sunny and shaded habitats in Miami, and that's where you come in this year. As scientists in Lizards on the Loose, you'll be tracking the anoles at your schools and in your community and researching whether they are using sunny or shaded habitats.
Just like last year, you will upload pictures of the anoles that you find to iNaturalist, a website and app for citizen science that allows you to become scientists and work with researchers like us. In this challenge, each school will have one team account where you will add your photos and information about whether each lizard was in the sun or shade. And we'll be checking your observations every day to help you identify the lizards and to offer encouragement and advice. In the past 2 years, Lizards on the Loose participants, including you, have made over 5,000 observations to iNaturalist, an incredible effort. We can't wait to see the data that you create for this year's challenge.
So from all of us at the Lizards on the Loose team, thanks for all your hard work.
Thanks so much for your help.
Thanks. We're really looking forward to working with you to learn about how anoles use sunny and shaded habitats and seeing all of your incredible observations.